What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on the Fish Hooked YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. All the support's been awesome. This video is pretty fun and had some crazy catches in it. So if you like this video, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for this one. It's a good one.
Oh yeah, look back, look, two, three, guys. Yeah, you see? We're filming it right now. Yeah, I'm recording. Right there. Oh, dude, see? Right on top. Got him.
Dude,
got him.
That's awesome.
Got him.
Get him hooked. Get him.
Got him.
Nice. That was a quick.
Yeah. Quick draw, buddy. Quick draw.
Bass 101.
Quick draw. He never saw me coming.
He was like, "Oh, where?"
He never saw me coming.
He said he saw one.
There was three of them.
Oh, I see him.
Oh gosh, he bit me. Oh, he bit me again. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Little creek bass right off the bat. All right, I'm gonna go. Let me walk down here and let him go. Maybe he won't spook us. Bubba's gonna try to get him one. Oh, he jumped out of my hand.
You can't they can't resist that June bug when it's there. Going nuts on it. Got him. Oh, it's kind of a good one. Wow. He engulfed that. Check that dude out, guys. That's a nice little bluegill. Oh! A bass just came out and nailed it. Oh my goodness. It's a miracle if he stays on. Yeah. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, he's tangled up. Oh, that was insane. Oh my goodness. What? Dude, I could not believe that. Yeah. On the popper, and it actually stayed hooked. He just came out from underneath the bushes and slammed it. Guys, on that little bitty popper I'm using to catch bluegill. Wasn't expecting a bass to be chilling up here, but came out and destroyed it. Somehow he stayed hooked. These are like the smallest hooks ever. Check that dude out, guys. Nice little fish. We're just doing some creek fishing, so that's pretty nice for the creek. Man, crazy. Let's go ahead and release this dude. Woo! Ready to go. That's crazy. That's like, I didn't know what that was for a second. Got one. Got one. Oh, that's a nice bluegill. Or, yeah, it's a bluegill. Nice bluegill. Nice hand-sized bluegill, guys. Get that little dude back. Here he goes. Man, this is it's a little fishy back here. Oh, another bass. Oh man, this dude's way smaller, but that was some fun. Check this little guy out, guys. Little largemouth on the popper again. If I can get this dude unhooked. All right, guys. Check that little dude out. He's got some kind of mark right there. Looks like a bite mark. Looks like maybe a gar got him or something, a chain pickerel or something. But there's a little creek bass. Oh, I'm falling over. Let's get this little dude back. Cool beans, man. Now I'm gonna go across right here. Good grief, so many bluegill. Always a little bass. Oh, got one. Is that the bass? No, that's not a bass. It's like a hybrid. That's a pretty fish, guys. Oh, there he goes. Oh, got one. Oh, nice. Red breast. Caught a nice red breast. Check that guy out, guys. Really pretty red breast. Really pretty fish. Let's get him back. There he goes. Looks like there's a couple nice ones over here. Oh, got one. Yeah. Oh, dead. That's the biggest red breast I've ever caught. Oh my. Wait, that's a bluegill. It's the biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my life. Not even kidding. Guys, look at that bluegill. That's the biggest one I've ever caught. Dude, it's just like huge. He's giant. Never caught one that big. It was crazy. Hey, there's a bass right here looking at me. Let's get this dude back, guys. Biggest one I've ever caught, for sure. Oh, got a bluegill. wait, that's a red breast. Nice little red breast there. Check that guy out, guys. Pretty little red breast. Get him back in there. Hope it's catfish.
Got something.
Oh,
Got something.
you got something. Gotta be a cat, right? What is that? Oh, big old warmouth.
What?
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
It is a big old warmouth.
Good night, babe.
That is a chunker. I didn't know warmouth would eat a dead
Fish head.
fish head. I wonder if that's what's been messing with you the whole time. That is a chunk warmouth.
Man,
Crazy.
that's chunky.
He's really
You don't
pretty.
see him that big a
He's
lot.
got some crazy colors going on.
That is big. Well, that was cool.
That's creek fishing for you.
Yeah, we'll never know out here, boy.
Alright, that's gonna wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, like I said, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button on the video. That's gonna help us out so much. We're almost to 200 subs, so we're growing pretty fast, and thanks for all the support, and see y'all in the next video.